Escovitch Jerk burger, you're gonna love this one. There are 1,001 ways to use your very necessary jerk seasoning rub and your very necessary Escovitch sauce. Let me show you how I use them in this Escovitch Jerk burger. I have some ground beef and I just add it to a bowl. I use my silicone spatula nice and firm and I break it down. You don't even have to break it down too much. Then we go in with some of our very own very necessary jerk seasoning rub in pineapple. You can use anyone for this. It's just a pineapple that I have open. Of course, I added some of our very own very necessary island spice oil because that good in and on everything. Me try not to add too much of the oil. I add mainly the pieces to give the burger a nice spicy kick. Me rub that in gently, being careful not to over rub. Now from there, you can make your burger the way you want to. I have a little burger maker and that's what I'm using. Now right so, I'm supposed to put the grease paper under the bottom, not on the top. But anyway, I put it on the top, I'm going to get it out. But for the others, I put it under the bottom. Then you put the burger on it, press it out, use the top and press it out. And then you just lift out your grease paper. Easy as 1, 2, 3. This 1 pound ground beef made 3 nice sized burgers. And I like to just put a little piece of ice in the center of my burger. That way, once you start cooking it, it no round up. It stay flat enough for you to make your sandwich. I also added a little jerk seasoning, but I remember to mention that. But you can add a little Creole or a little all-purpose. Just a little, because we don't want to make the burger salty or anything. Now, grab your burger bun. I'm just using these rolls because these are what I have. It don't make no sense to buy burger bread when we have these. So whatever I have, I'm going to make it do. So when I do, I cut it in a 2 and then I cut it in a 2 again. So I cut it in a 4. And it worked perfectly, just like a burger bun. Then you add your favorite cheese or any cheese where you have. I had some pepper jack, so that's what I added. Grill pan on the stove, let it come to a hot, and then we just added my burger them. And make your burger cook to your liking. Again, me use my silicone spatula for everything. It can flip your burgers, it can flip your eggs. So you don't need that black one where everybody use. You know that black spatula that sometimes melts when you use it? Yes, that's dangerous. That's not good. Dash with that. And click the orange basket above my username for all these products, including the silicone spatula. Once your burger cooked the way you like it, all you have to do is load your burger with whatever you want on it. And then you just top it with some of your very own, very necessary Escovitch sauce. You don't have to make it yourself. Click the orange basket above my username to get the ready make. Now, honestly, this don't really want no more sauce, but I wanted a little sweetness to my burger, so I added a little barbecue sauce to the top of the bun. And then me just press that down, and oh my God, this tasted so divine. Any other condiment you want, you can put it in there. So if you're a ranch person, add your ranch or your blue cheese or your cheese sauce or your pepperoni or your pickle, anything you want on it, it'll go good. Who need a store-bought burger when you can make your own Escovitch Jerk burger? This is another one me load it up nicely. All avocado I put on it. It was after I start eating it, I'm like, oh, come I didn't add any avocado. And you want to wrap this up nice, that when you take a bite, nothing no drop out of it. This was hitting the spot, busting right now. It's almost 7 o'clock. I eat this from about 12:30 and my belly still full. If you know a burger lover, send them this video so them can make this.